In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a new friend using your personal invite link. This is a simple process, but it helps to do it carefully so everything works the first time. The goal here is to copy your personal invite URL, send it through a message or email, and then make sure the person appears on your list after they use the link. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the page where your personal invite link is available. Take a moment to make sure you are on the correct screen, because many platforms place invite options in slightly different areas, such as an account page, a dashboard, or a referral section. When you find your personal invite URL, copy the entire link. It's important to copy the full address exactly as shown, since even a small missing part can prevent the link from working properly. After you've copied the link, the next step is to send it to the person you want to invite. You can do this either through a web messaging service or by email, depending on what is easiest for you and the other person. Open your preferred messaging platform or your email account in Chrome, then start a new message. Paste the invite link into the message, and if you want, add a short note explaining that this is the link they should click to join. Keeping the message clear and direct can help avoid confusion, especially if the person is not expecting the invitation. Once the message has been sent, the final part is to confirm that the invitation was successful. After your new friend clicks the link and completes whatever action is required on their side, return to the list where invited or connected users appear. Check that their profile or entry now shows up there. Depending on the platform, this may happen right away, or it may take a short moment to refresh. If you don't see them immediately, try refreshing the page before checking again. And that's it. Open Chrome, copy your personal invite URL, send it through web messaging or email, and then confirm your new friend appears on your list after they click the link. If you follow those steps carefully, the process should be quick, smooth, and easy to verify.